Many people facing this problem when you work in 4K footage, or when you work in a you have low resolution PC or laptop. If you wanted to work with 4K video, this is really difficult. So this solution will be Proxy. So how to create Proxy? You need to select the full footage, also right click in mouse, create Proxy. When you create this one, this dialog will open. Quick time select, or sometimes I recommend to quick time select. Also select the next, or you can add original media. You can select this one, or you can browse where you want to select the proxy file. Okay, then click OK. When you click OK, this will open in media encoder. See, already open in here. Also this is done, going within 10 seconds done. So this way you can make the proxy. You can work with 4K footage into low configuration PC. Hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.